y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a self-care routine. So I have my wine and I also have my candle that I'm going to be lighting up. The candle is by W Homes and it is Calming Waves and it smells so good. I keep this candle in my bathroom. So I'm just setting the mood to make sure everything is calm. I was filming this in the middle of the week. It was kind of stressful, so I just had to do my self-care routine and also to get myself together because I had been looking rough for about the last few weeks. So I had to, get myself together. I'm also going to play some music on my Pandora app just to set the mood. Okay, so the first thing on my to-do list is to remove hair from my face. So I'm just using this Sally Hansen hair removal kit, and this is made specifically for your face. I'm going to be doing above my upper lip and then under my chin area. That's where I tend to get the most hair. So now I'm just taking out all of the products out of the box, and really it's just two products. It's the hair removal cream and then the after lotion. So I'm just going to take a small amount and put on my upper lip, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my chin area. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that on my face for 3 minutes, and while that is sitting on my face, I'm just gonna get my facial steamer set up so I can get ready to do my facial mask. Okay, so this is the facial steamer that I have. I just ordered this off of Amazon. I don't remember the exact name of it, but it came with the steamer, a headband, and also some extracting tools for acne problems or for the skin. And yeah, I love this machine so much. It's super easy to use. You just pour in some water into this canal, and you just put the top on it, and then after maybe 30 seconds it starts to steam. I love it so much, and it was literally only like $20 or $25. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my steamer to start steaming, I'm just gonna go in and arch what little hair I have on my eyebrows and kind of shape them up a little bit. This just makes it easier for me to, fill in my eyebrows whenever I do decide to fill in my eyebrows. It makes it much easier if they're shaped up a little bit. Okay, so I did go ahead and wash my face with some facial cleanser. So now I'm just going to start with my steamer and get my face nice and steamy so I can open my pores. I'm going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go in and apply my mask. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this clay mask by Shea Moisture and also this plastic brush to apply it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna move on to my hair. I'm not gonna be doing much to my hair. I just have to, maintain my natural hair. So I'm just gonna be straightening the top of my hair, my leave out, and then pretty much just wrap my hair up before I go into the shower because the rest of the hair is just pretty much straightened. Okay, so I'm about to get ready to take a shower. I'm just going to show you the products I'll be using. So I'll be using this coffee scrub, and caffeine tightens the skin. I'm going to be using some razors and some shaving cream to shave my arms, my legs, and under my arms as well. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower, so now I'm just going to take my facial cream and also some of this rose hip oil and combine the two, and that's pretty much my nighttime routine. I need to get a solid nighttime skin routine, and it's coming soon. This is just my night routine as of today. Now I'm just moving on to the rest of my body care. So I'm just going to be using this shea butter body lotion, and I'm going to use that to moisturize the rest of my body. Okay, so this is actually the next day. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my toenails. So I'm using this Essie white polish and then the Essie top coat. And I'm also gonna be using some cuticle oil and then with this nail file. Oh, and I also had to go run and get some toenail clippers. Okay, so I'm going to polish my nails after this and then just apply some cuticle oil, and then I'm just going to end the video here. This is the end of my midweek self-care routine. Comment down below what you guys like to do in the middle of the week, just for a self pick-me-up. I would love to know. Now, see you guys in my next video.